My name is Jacob, and I'm the intern for District 6 Transportation Department. This internship has helped me broaden my knowledge for what I want to do in the future right after high school, which is join the Army and be a mechanic for the Army. Changing oil, taking tire depths, how to check brake drums in large commercial vehicles, the basic knowledge skills of pretty much any vehicle. I got to meet new people, make new friends, and have a lot of fun hanging out, working on pretty much any of the vehicles in the fleet.
Yeah, it was fun having Jacob because he fit right in with the whole crew right away from the beginning. I just was hoping that we'd get somebody that was really dedicated and wanted to learn the automotive field. And Jacob, when he came in his first day, he would literally run everywhere. And we finally had to tell him, you have to slow down. You don't need to be running. Ever since then, every task, he was just super excited. I just thought it would be good that if we could help somebody in high school, try to help them pick a career path that they wanted to go into, give them a chance to see what it would really be like, not just for an hour or two. If he gets into it, he might end up coming back and applying for a job with District 6, and right now it's really hard to get people in the automotive field. I was real hesitant at first too, but after we got Jacob and he started going, it really turned out to be a good learning experience for both of us, so I would recommend doing it.